Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how with 2 lines of code you can just basically change your wallpaper on the fly with just the menu. So for example, all I have to do is I open up the menu, I type in LLP, or technically the command is called, or the program is called wallpaper, the script. I get a list of wallpapers and let's say, oh, you know what, I feel like a cove.jpg, and boom, just changes like that. Let's say I feel like a Mojave night. Well, just changes like that. Let's say I feel like a winter.jpg. Oh, okay. Let's say I feel like, you know, it really is that simple. And the great thing is that you shut down your computer, you turn it back on, it shows the last wallpaper that you saved. So let's say I turn off my computer now, it'll show this wallpaper. Let's say I change it again to, I don't know, Marcus Aurelius. Okay. Let's say I turn off my computer, I reopen it, then it's going to have this wallpaper saved last. So, you know, that's the beauty of this program. It just works very well. It's 2 lines of code. So let's show. Okay, it's 3 technically if you include this, but all it is I say wallpaper equals dash, or like, you know, I open up a subshell and I just list this directory and I call it with dmenu. So that is just, it opens up this, and this is what it is. It's trying to find, okay, what is the variable? It's trying to select, okay, when I select whatever wallpaper I select here, it's actually selecting it as the variable wallpaper. So right now it's open it and I have the option, okay, which one do I want to choose? Let's say I chose cozy window. I select it. It then says, okay, if the wallpaper variable is not empty, then, yeah, if it's not empty, then simply use the command feh, which is a image viewer, and take it and input the variable wallpaper, or like input the variable that I selected. So in this instance, I selected this cozy.jpg or whatever it's called. Then checks, okay, is it empty? If it is, it'll quit. Because let's say, you know, here I'm like, you know what, I don't select anything, I just press escape. Well, then it just quits because it's either this or this. If not, then end of program. Simple as that. Because it isn't empty, because I selected this wallpaper cozy.jpg. It says, okay, we're going to use the program feh with this setting, the background fill, because it just fills it out, and it just goes to my directory where I store my wallpapers, and it inputs this wallpaper. And it's literally as simple as that. It doesn't need to be any more complicated. Yeah, feh is just like an image like viewer. So if I go to pictures, wallpaper, and I type in feh, it just, okay, yeah, it just shows the wallpapers in a, it's like a very minimalistic program, I guess you could say. And yeah, if you want even like an extra crazy tip, is that this wallpaper is actually I forgot what it's called, like a soft link, or it's linked. This is not actually the directory itself, if that's what I want to say. Like, kind of don't want to expose myself here. Like, essentially, what you can do is you can use Dropbox, and I'll show you how I did. So I have Etsy, Dropbox, and then I actually have wallpapers right here. So this is the exact same directory. It has all my wallpapers, and I simply just link this directory to my pictures, and then essentially how I do it is that I have a laptop and I have another computer, and I simply have this stored through the Dropbox. They're all connected through the Dropbox. If I add in a new wallpaper or take out one, then it's updated for all my computers. And essentially, this syncs my wallpapers with all my devices, so it's just a little bonus tip. But yeah, with this, if you're using feh, technically you can use another, like a wallpaper changing program. You don't have to use feh. It's just what I use. You know, I like it. It's minimalist. I already just, like, I was just using it as an image viewer. I'm like, oh, if you can put it as your wallpaper, then may as well. Like, why would I download another program when I can just do it through this? So yeah, 2 lines of code. The only thing with feh is you want to make sure you have this in your exinit.rc, or if you don't use exinit.rc, just basically a startup script, because essentially feh has this little script called .feh.background, and it just saves that. That's how it saves the last wallpaper that you use. So in this instance, because I inputted cozy window, it also indirectly, okay, changes this script to cozy window as well. This is just a thing that Fair uses automatically, and yeah, it's pretty good. It works well and just really quick. So, you know, just change wallpaper on flyer. Okay, I want cross on hill. Okay. Oh, I want a, you know, purple plane. Boom. So, hope you enjoyed that video. It really is that simple. This is actually probably one of my most used scripts because I used to like that, you know. I feel like a different vibe, a different aesthetic. Boom, I just change it real quick. No need to hassle at all. Like, this is the easiest way you can do it, I think. I don't know how you could do it easy. Maybe if you bound it to like a command where you just type, or like you just, you know, a couple keys and boom, it just opens up the script already. Maybe that would be faster, but I'm fine calling it through the menu. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.